Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Iced Strong Coffee and Caf-Lib with Chicory Black Edition. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes from this metal bowl into this mug. Then after that, you open up the Caf-Lib mix chicory and you from this container and you put it into this mug, and then you add in the water. Then last but not least, you pour in the coffee from this percolator into this mug. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced strong coffee and Caf-Lib with Chicory Black Edition. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.